Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a 24 to 30-inch cotton thread, waxed or doubled for better grip. Tie or anchor one end so you have a fixed point. This lets you control tension. Comb a 1 to 2-inch section of dry, detangled hair and hold it taut. Once done, loop the thread under the hair near the root and position your fingers so you can roll the thread down the strand. This first move sets curl shape and tension. You now wrap and twist. Hold the strand between thumb and forefinger and wind the thread in small 0. 5 to 1-inch turns, choosing clockwise or counterclockwise to match curl direction. Keep steady, even tension so the hair molds without snapping. That's why anchoring matters. Glide the thread down while twisting with your thumbs so the hair wraps onto itself and forms a spiral. Make sure to pace your wraps. Too loose yields limp bends, too tight risks damage. This step sculpts the curl. You finish by setting and releasing. Let the threaded curls rest 20 to 45 minutes. For faster hold, apply low heat for a few seconds. Make sure temperature is safe. To release, reverse your twist and gently unwind the thread. Do not pull or yank, which disturbs the shape. Once free, separate curls with fingers and smooth ends with a tiny drop of serum. If curls look frizzy or loose, lightly mist, retwist a small section, and let it set again as a quick troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.